Now we are going to the chicken farm. Brother Alvin is there, he's driving, and we'll show you the farm today. Now we have to sanitizing.
Yes.
Sanitizing the car. Here we have to sanitize our feet. Sanitizing is complete. Many security dogs. And we reach in the farm. So here up is the chicken, the down here is the waste. Very clean, beautiful, perfect. Sanitizing is very important. And I show you something. That was building 1, and that is second building, which is here. Up will be chicken, the down is the chicken waste, cleaning everything. Perfect. Let's go back. Too much work today. Auto transfer installation in this building 1 and for the another chicken farm there, because before they are manually changing the system, but now I put auto transfer, so there will be grid, will be a main power, then solar will be as a backup power, generator will be a third backup power. Good, right? So here is the grid number 1, solar number 2, generator number 3. That is the backup. So here is our Fronos inverter. This is 2 batteries. This one is Samsung 120 ampere by 18650 Samsung batteries, and this one Sony VTC6 137 Ah parallel. Okay, so that is the simple setup which we running for this. Here will be in future another auto transfer switch, temporary like this only. This is building number 2. Wow, very big. Sanitizing first to okay, we go up there. Okay, it is like this. The down is getting waste. Up there, that is a chicken. How many days it take maximum to grow?
28 days.
28 days.
This 20 days old.
This one is 20 days already?
Yes.
Okay.
The
good.
kilo is 900 grams.
Okay, this is like,
Majority 700 grams.
okay, 900 gram. This is already good for harvest. Na?
1.5 kilo
1.5 kilo already.
in
This
28
one.
days.
28 days. Okay, good. How many chicken can come in this one building?
10,000 heads.
How many?
10,000 heads.
Oh, 10,000. Oh, okay. Wow. So these are the.
The mortality is all about 2%.
I see. Like the 2%.
From day 1 to 28 days.
Day 1 to 28 days, 2%
mortality.
I see. Like 2% will
Yes,
die like that.
Heat stroke.
I see heat because of the heat. So how is this? The building is the heat. It is a, yeah, I can see it's a
ventilation is good.
ventilation is good. I see. Yep, it's good. I can see.
Open ventilation.
Yeah, from lower and upper there is a good ventilation. Yes. If step must be step on the
Skip
like that, not in the middle. It will be accident like this. One question about this water: do you put any kind of medicine also in the water?
Medicine.
Oh, so this is a medicated water.
Yes, medicated and plain water.
Yep, already 900 grams.
Table.
This is the hospital for the. Okay. Rejected chickens
yes,
are here.
Runs chicken.
I see. Like I see the guy is feeding. How many time you feed the food to these chickens?
Unlimited.
I mean, how many time is the feeding? There have some schedule for?
Not unlimited.
Just any time give it?
Continuous eating.
Oh, this is continuous eating.
Yes.
I see.
The water is continuous.
So
water.
So it means there is a no time to feed the chicken. Just you have to keep fill the food.
Yes, continue. The schedule from D1 to 21 days.
I see.
Continuous feeding, but have a 22 days schedule morning up to 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Stop eating. 12 noon to 4 p.m. not feeding.
I see.
Because prone to heat stroke.
I see. So it means you have also break time for them.
After 21 days, have control feeding.
Control feeding, and what about the water? Water continue, but feeding is controlled. After
21 days.
After 21 days, the feeding is controlled, but the water is continuous. So it means there is
heat stroke.
I see. So there is no timing for feeding the chicken. You have to 21 days continuous feed the chicken, and
7 a.m. to 11 a.m.
7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I see. Wow.
The evening is unlimited.
I see. Wow. Very good. Let's go down. The down you see, this is the waste of the chicken is collecting. What you people do with the waste of this chicken?
Use the organic fertilizer.
This become your organic fertilizer?
Or using fruits.
I see.
Vegetable. And
this is natural fertilizer. This is building number 2. And it's also a huge capacity of 10,000 chicken there, and over there 10,000 chicken. So 20,000 chicken capacity have in this farm. Every 28 days it's doing. And here was my project, small solar system for the backup. So in the practical field, in the ground, it's not easy to make the money. You see, it's too much hard work, especially the electrical and electronic work. Yes, it's a tough. So see you in another time. Thank you. It's time to go back. Yeah, car is ready.